You know, it's so pretty this morning, I figured I had to show you this new pot I picked up from Lowe's, and I'm going to plant a new purslane in it. Now I've filled this halfway with leaves because I don't need all that soil to go all the way down. So we're going to be looking good right here on my take on home and garden. Work up them bottom roots a little, find the best side, drop her down in there. Now if you're not used to purslane, it does really well in the heat. That's why we use it. And it's for its natural beauty. This purslane will close up after the sun goes away, and it'll reopen every time the sun's on it. We're going to do some trimming and watering. Just added another one over here on the wall. Okay folks, we're in the outside studio and we are on a hunt for soil mix, and we're going to do a cactus and sedum and echeveria garden for you. So I have some parts pulled out and I'm going to show you that in a minute. I'm looking for a couple more things. We go shopping. Once you have a collection, you can just go shopping in your own garden and pull out some babies and start a new grouping. And that's what we're doing today. We have several mediums we're going to put together. The first one is just simply the river gravel, pea gravel, and the smallest stuff. Now we got this cactus dish, succulent dish. It's Lowe. It does weep into the saucer. We're going to start out with some stone here. Just about a third. Now that ensures, of course, drainage, and we want to put a barrier there. So I'm going to look for some leaves. Okay, so I've got some perlite and vermiculite and some peat. I need a little more. I'm going to mix this all up. Even going to put a little gravel in there. That's just what they thrive on. Okay. Now that's quite a mix. There's almost everything anything would ever want. Now we're going to take our one superstar here with a little water, and you see this miniature zebra aloe. They are so cute, and I got a good bunch of roots with it, so she should be really happy with me so far. I'm gonna put her in the center because she's tall. Then if you remember some Echeveria that I had that I called Ghost Plant. And this is a beautiful thing. And I'm going to trim off the bottom. Anything bad, bothered, bitten. And I'm going to cut that on an angle like this. Get that in there on one side. Now I like the manure because it's fibrous and it has a food value. Even though succulents like an airy, gravelly soil, they still need food. So once this is spent and used up, you're going to use your liquid. Now here's a cute example of what's called an angel wing cactus. Now it's not looking very angel wing right now because these are little and they're trying to grow tall and get some sun. This is the mother petal piece, but this will get flat and wide and real white, thus the name. And we're going to put her in the back like this by herself. Let her get a good start. You can prune and control what's going on in your little succulent garden. Now we have some gold sedum. You know I want to use that. Each one of these leaves, if you lay it down like that, you can start rooting. We're not rooting those today for you, but we want to get a piece of this in our arrangement. Next, we're going to show you these when they blossom. This is so unique. It's called a lifesaver plant. Here is a flower. When they open, it looks like a cherry lifesaver, and you'll just go crazy over them. We did. Here's another bloom. We have a big one, but we're gonna start her in this miniature arrangement as well. Now I want to get a little gravel on the top, and what that does for us, it keeps everything nice and neat. It keeps the dirt in, the food in, and the bugs out. So we got room for one more little superstar here, I guess, the sedum firestorm. Look at that. We don't want to take everything off, but we want to get that bottom off so the roots will start when it's touching the ground, instead of trying to grow these leaves. These leaves have been damaged by something anyway, so I think we got another neat little spot for this one. So folks, if you like this content, share and like our video. Give us a thumbs up. And you can follow us on Instagram. right here on my take on home and garden. Thanks for the best subscribers. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.